Hi, I'm Kaynis Wong. I promise to share some more. In my last video, I shared about my leaky gut problem, which has been solved. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I save a lot of money. I don't need to buy any more probiotics and enzymes. I used to take a lot. So now it's just drinking the water. So the next thing I want to share with you is my skin. It's very dry on my arms and the back of my hand until it's so dry and wrinkled that I don't dare to show people my hand. And I did went to my beautician. I asked her, is there anything that you can do for me on my palm, the back of my hand? And she told me, there's a procedure the way where you cut at the sides, both hands at the sides. You cut it and then you pull the skin and you got to stitch it. She showed me how it is done, but of course I won't do it lah. Okay, and then the neck area, actually somebody told me when I was in the insurance line, one day my client is a man actually, and he asked me, Miss Wong, how old are you? So I told him I'm about 38. Then he told me that your face is okay, but your neck is a bit dry, it's so wrinkled and makes you look so old. And also my son did point out to me one day. He said, Mom, why is your neck so wrinkled? You see, of course I don't have before photos lah. I didn't know that, it really did work good, you see. So imagine if a man telling you this problem, that means it's got to be very, very bad. So what I did was I just spray. Every morning after, washing my face, and evening also after washing, then you spray. Even during the daytime, if you have the time, you just spray on it. The eyes, all over the hands and the back of the hand, especially my neck. I used to do it very, very often. And my eyes also. The whole face, you spray it. So now you see so much less already the wrinkles. So much less. I'm so happy about it. So my husband noticed, but maybe we thought, we could do nothing about it. So I'm so happy that this, just by spraying this water alone, can give you such a good effect. Okay. The next thing is my eyes. You see, my eyes is so dry. I'm sure, I don't know whether you have heard of dry eye, dry mouth syndrome. I have this problem since a long time ago. So my case was so severe. My eyes are so dry. So when I go into an aircon room or have the fan blowing at my face, my eyes will begin to tear, just streaming down like this. And my mouth, if I speak too long, and the fan especially blowing at me, so my mouth will get like stuck, I can't talk properly. This is a very, very serious problem. Now it's so much better. No more, because each time when I go into my bedroom and aircon is switched on, I will have tears rolling down my pillow. So totally gone. And one more thing is, if I turn my eye too quickly, from left to right, I turn too quickly my eyes, I got a little pain. I don't know what it is called, but it just get the pain. It has been a long time already. Okay, now also gone. One very good thing, I normally have what do you call that? Capillaries, small little capillaries. And when I had my eye problem, I went to see a doctor. So he gave me just eye drops. So which I don't like to do often. It's not good for the eye anyway. So one day, the red eye is not the kind of red eye that you have two eyes disease, it's not. Doctor told me that because your eyes, the small little capillaries is very fragile. So it breaks easily. And then your eyes is like bloodshot eyes, So I used to have it very often. So the last time I remember I had it a few months ago, I just spray on it every day, a few times, and then it was gone in a few days. It's that good, very, very good. And also hopefully my cataracts will go away, because the doctor told me that it's very mild. You don't have to go for surgery yet. I'm sure this red eye problem, I have friends, relatives, who I know, they went to see a doctor with this kind of problems, it's due to stress, or I don't know what it is lah. So I don't think the fees are cheap, so you get 2 times already, how much do you have to pay? Okay, so you have to be really very hardworking. Just spray on the face, everywhere you like, everywhere that you think you want to spray it on. I can tell you the results is